Welcome back to AmazingMotorOctane. The 2026 Honda Civic is here to transform expectations of what a compact car can offer. With an outstanding mix of innovation, style, and performance, this vehicle challenges the notion that compact means ordinary. If you're looking for a car that delivers exhilarating drives, eco-conscious technology, and unmatched reliability, the 2026 Honda Civic is built to impress. Let's dive into what sets this model apart in its class. One of the most exciting advancements in the 2026 Honda Civic lineup is the introduction of a hybrid model. This strategic move underscores Honda's commitment to combining performance with sustainability. At its core, the hybrid features a 2.0L four-cylinder engine paired with dual electric motors, generating a combined 200 horsepower. This advanced hybrid system ensures seamless acceleration while maximizing fuel efficiency. Drivers can achieve up to 49 miles per gallon, striking a perfect balance between excitement and environmental responsibility. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or embarking on extended road trips, the Civic Hybrid redefines what it means to drive sustainably. For those who prefer a traditional gasoline engine, the 2026 Honda Civic still delivers. The standard model is equipped with a reliable 2.0L four-cylinder engine producing 150 horsepower, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Available in both sedan and hatchback configurations, the non-hybrid Civic appeals to a variety of drivers while upholding Honda's reputation for dependability and adaptability. Whether commuting through urban environments or setting out on a long drive, this model offers both confidence and comfort. Beyond performance, the 2026 Honda Civic boasts an eye-catching design. Its modern and bold exterior includes redesigned headlights, a sleek bumper, and an aerodynamic profile that turns heads. Inside, the cabin is crafted with premium materials and a well-thought-out layout for maximum convenience. Across all trims, advanced driver assistance technologies provide added safety, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Higher-end models like the Hybrid Sport and Hybrid Sport Touring enhance the experience further with cutting-edge infotainment systems, upscale interior finishes, and the latest tech features to keep you connected and comfortable. In a competitive market that includes rivals like the Hyundai Elantra and Toyota Corolla, the 2026 Honda Civic sets itself apart. The hybrid variant impresses with its energetic performance, accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in just 6.2 seconds. Even the gasoline version holds its own, reaching 60 mph in 8.8 seconds, delivering sufficient power for everyday drives. The Civic Hybrid stands out further with an estimated fuel economy of 50 mph in the city and 47 mph on the highway, making it a smart choice for both driving enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers. Affordability remains a key strength of the 2026 Honda Civic. With a starting price of approximately $25,345 and top-tier models reaching around $35,000, it offers outstanding value. The Civic seamlessly blends style, efficiency, and performance, making it a top contender in its class. Whether you're interested in an environmentally friendly hybrid or a dependable gasoline-powered car, the 2026 Honda Civic is a choice that delivers on all fronts. For drivers everywhere, the 2026 Honda Civic proves that compact cars can be thrilling, efficient, and cutting-edge. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a redefinition of the driving experience. Are you ready to take the wheel?